Next, the organization had wanted to ensure the creation process was prioritizing high-impact projects. Let's see how that worked. Once the request was submitted by an employee, the automation kit was used to manage projects being considered. The process owner can then define the process volume, frequency, human performance, and expected ROI. The project is then sent to the business approver for approval. The business approver can then go inside Microsoft Teams directly to look into the approval request. They can see about the different project details, go inside into the app for more details, and launch the project app. Once they are satisfied with the information, they can go directly approve it. As the number of projects grew from tens of thousands, the organization had real clarity on what was happening. They could easily monitor their business goals for the automation program. They could track the progress across departments, and they could understand how the automation program was doing from a financial perspective.